Hello and welcome to this video of number 11 Radstock Lane here in Earley. So what we have here is a 3-bedroomed link detached property, lovely location, not too far from Radstock School and of course Maiden Earley School as well. I'm just going to show you the location first of all. So that's literally going towards the end, or rather the dead end of Radstock Lane. And if I just spin round fully, we've got lovely detached properties, and then that's the entrance. Ahead of us there is Red Hatch Drive. So let's now take a look at this property. So first of all, the driveway, you can see it's been extended. Parking for 3/4 cars, I would say. A lawned area there, and then we have the front of the property. Garage to the side, and you can see we have steps taking you to the front door with nice wrought iron work there as well. So let's take you inside and show you around. So we're in the entrance hall. You can see the staircase to the first floor. Quite a nice wood effect flooring as well. Door to the kitchen ahead and door to the lounge there. I'm just going to spin round. Let's just show you the front door that I've just come through. It's a good size entrance hall, as you can see. UPVC double glazed front door with matching side windows. There's also another window there on the side, so a lot of natural light coming into the hallway. So into the lounge at the front of the house. So it's a wood effect laminated flooring. It flows through into the dining room just to the left there. Let's step into the room and spin round just to show you the full size of this room. UPVC double glazed sealed unit windows throughout the house, and gas radiator central heating as well. You can see a nice focal point of a fireplace around there. And then if I spin round, the dining room. Sliding patio doors onto the garden, serving hatch to the kitchen. You can see a radiator, and as I mentioned before, the flooring flows from the lounge into the dining room. So let's now make our way through the entrance hall and let's show you the kitchen. So this overlooks the rear garden. So as you can see, we have work surface space, plenty of it. Base units, eye level units one side, and also a double the other side, and then just pointing out the gas fired boiler just there, and then spinning round, understairs storage cupboard there. Doorway here takes you into the utility room. We've got plumbing for the washing machine, and so what this does, this gives you a door here going into the garden, door ahead of me to the WC, and then to the garage. Let's just show you the WC. This area is an extension to the original house. There's the low level WC and wash basin. Quite nice tiled walls. We have a rear aspect window there. And then finally on this level we have the garage, which obviously you can access from the main house. So a really good storage area. We've got an electric up and over door there. Decent sized garage. They're actually quite wide garages, these. You can probably see the door and then more room to the left there. But a good size garage nevertheless. So that is the ground floor. Let's now take you upstairs and show you the first floor. So we're on the first floor landing. We've got a built-in airing cupboard just on the left-hand side here. There's the staircase from the main entrance hall. We've got a side aspect window, as you can see. So you've got natural light, and also if I point upwards, you've got the access to the roof space. Let's first of all show you the main bedroom, which is this one in here. You'll probably notice all the doors have been changed to this, the white multi-panelled style doors. So the main bedroom at the front of the house. Again, a UPVC double glazed sealed unit window. Plenty of space for additional furniture. We also do have a built-in double wardrobe there. So that's the main bedroom. Let's now show you the second bedroom, which is the one at the rear here. Again, we do have a double bed in situ. with a double wardrobe on the right hand side there. So this is overlooking the rear garden. I'll show you the garden shortly. And then the third bedroom at the front, partly used as a little office, but we do have a bed in situ there, so it just goes to show the space that we've got for additional furniture. Front aspect window there. And then the bathroom. Now the bathroom has a 4-piece suite. So what we have here is the wash basin there. You can see the low level WC. The bath has a shower attachment, and then behind the door we have this shower cubicle, an electric shower there, and there's the base and the door opening like so. And then dual aspect windows, again UPVC double glazed sealed units, one there and one there. And last but not least, the radiator. So that is the first floor. Let's now show you the rear garden. So onto the rear garden. Very nicely landscaped, as you can probably see, enclosed by wooden panel fencing, mainly with concrete posts. We have a patio area here, and then to the lawn. Let's just wander up here. We've got a shed, as you can see, in the corner. Let's turn around and just give you an idea of the back of the house. Try and keep out this direct sunlight. And there's the door to the utility room there, you can just about see. And obviously into the garage as well. So that just about concludes the tour to this house. If you'd like to know more details, my name's Gary. Do ask to speak to myself. Alternatively, same number on the website to book a viewing appointment. And thanks for watching.